Ron, happy birthday. Ang bilis ng panahon, 50 na tayo. Naalala ko nung bata pa tayo. Walang sandali na hindi tayo magkasamang dalawa. Lahat ng kalokohan natin. Tayong dalawa yung magkasama ng bata. Ang bilis ng panahon. Pero simula't simula, never nawala yung friendship. Thank you. Kasi isa ka sa kaibigan ko na sobrang mahal na mahal ko. I love you and enjoy mo lang yung araw ng pagiging 50. Bye!
Happy 50th birthday, Ninong Ron. I wish you a very good health and a very positive and happy life, no? We miss you so much here in the Philippines and we hope to see you soon.
Happy 50th birthday, Tito Ron. Thank you for always being there for our family. Since taking care of me since I was very little, together with Nanay Pinas and Lolo Rodi. Hopefully, we can see each other soon and makagala tayo with the twins and Tita Belle. So again, happy 50th birthday. More blessings to come. And we love you. Bye-bye.
Bye!
Happy birthday, everyone. I love you.
Kiss.
So, eto na nga ang aking pagbati mula sa iyong magandang kaibigan, Charot. Happy birthday sa napakabait kong kaibigan. Actually, lahat naman kayo mabait. Wala akong tulak kabitin. Parang wala na ata akong i-wish. Lahat kasi nasa iyo na. So, eto na lang. Sana magkasama-sama naman tayo. Kahit isang beses man lang. Tumatanda na tayo, hindi na tayo mga pabata. Happy birthday sa'yo. Sana maligaya ka sa mga oras na to. In God's will, matutupad din ang aking kahilingan, magkasama-sama tayo. Sa lahat, salamat sa pagiging mabuti para sa amin lahat. Ay naku, wala na akong masabi.
Happy birthday, Ron. Wish you good health, more success, more happiness with Kambal and Belle. We miss you, tsaka we love you.
Happy birthday, Ronar! Hindi ako sanay na Ron. Masa pa nga dapat. Wishing you all the best. Happy birthday. We miss you.
Happy 50th birthday, Ron. We love you.
Happy 50th birthday, Tito Biyaya. Praise God for your life. Nakakalungkot man na hindi mo kami makasama to celebrate this very special occasion. Ngayon, know that we are with you in spirit. We are thankful for everything that you did for our family. Thank you for all the help, love, and support. Thank you for setting a good example, especially when it comes to serving the Lord. I will never forget the very meaningful conversation that we had when I first came to Dubai. Sinundo mo ako galing airport. And we were talking kung gaano ka busy, gaano ka-hectic yung schedule mo with all the work and church activities. And I asked you, hindi ka ba napapagod o hindi ka ba natatakot magkasakit? And then you answered, Trina, mas nakakatakot na tanggalin ng Diyos yung talent ko dahil hindi ko ginagamit. And kung darating man ng Diyos anytime, makikita niya na nagpapagamit ako sa gawain niya, naglilingkod ako. And I will never forget that. Thank you, Tito. And may you continue to serve the Lord with all your God-given talents, and may you continue to fulfill the Great Commission. Thank you for sharing Christ, not just with our family, but with the people around you as well. Happy birthday, Tito! See you soon. We love you and we miss you.
Hi, Ron. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. I wish you all the best. Bye. I miss you. I love you. Bye.